Prompt patterns for productivity are like formulas that help you get consistent, high-quality results from AI in less time. By learning these patterns, you can save hours of brainstorming, writing, or planning, and transform AI into a personal productivity assistant that works exactly the way you need it to. Let's explore some of the most powerful prompt patterns that boost productivity in everyday tasks. The first pattern is the task breakdown prompt. When facing a big project, ask the AI to divide it into smaller, actionable steps. For example, break down the process of launching a podcast into clear sequential steps. This pattern gives you structure and momentum. You can follow up by expanding each step one at a time until your plan is complete. Next is the summarize and simplify pattern. This helps when you're dealing with long or complex information. You can write, "Summarize this report in plain English for a busy executive," or simplify these meeting notes into 3 key takeaways. The AI acts as your clarity filter, turning clutter into insight. Then we have the idea generator pattern. It's perfect for creative work or brainstorming. For example, generate 10 video ideas about sustainable living, or give me 5 ways to promote a new online course. The key is to include your topic, audience, and desired format so the ideas fit your exact goal. Another useful pattern is the compare and decide prompt. This helps when you're stuck between choices. For instance, compare the pros and cons of using YouTube versus TikTok for brand awareness. The AI organizes information logically, helping you make faster, more informed decisions. The rewrite and improve pattern is great for refining your content. Just provide a draft and tell the AI how to improve it. Rewrite this paragraph to sound more persuasive, or make this email more concise and friendly. Instead of starting from scratch, you upgrade what you already have. For daily efficiency, use the template creation pattern. Ask the AI to build reusable frameworks for recurring tasks. For example, create a weekly planning template for freelancers, or design a meeting summary template for project updates. Once built, you can fill in the blanks each time you need it. Next comes the question expansion pattern, designed to deepen your thinking. You can prompt, "Ask me 5 smart questions to clarify my business goals." The AI becomes a thinking partner, helping you identify gaps or refine your strategy before acting. Another high-impact pattern is the role-based delegation prompt. Assign the AI a specific role that mirrors the type of help you need. Try, "Act as my executive assistant and draft a daily schedule," or "You are a productivity coach. Help me prioritize tasks for the week." Giving a role helps the AI adapt tone, reasoning, and workflow for maximum efficiency. A final productivity pattern is the daily reflection prompt. You can write, "Help me reflect on today's progress by listing what went well, what could improve, and one goal for tomorrow." This simple ritual builds focus and accountability over time. These prompt patterns work because they turn vague goals into structured actions. Each pattern saves mental energy by guiding the AI toward useful, repeatable outcomes. You can mix and match them. For instance, break down a project, generate ideas, then ask for a summary and improvement suggestions. The real productivity boost comes from practice. Once you learn to recognize which pattern fits your situation, you'll start prompting instinctively, turning your AI into a personalized partner that helps you think, plan, and execute faster than ever before.